Hey everyone, my name is Taha and I was part of the first Web3 cohort by Let's and Anish. Main goal to enter the cohort was to learn about the monetizing opportunities offered in Web3. I've been working in Web3 since some time now, but I wasn't able to find all the monetizing opportunities, and Lips and Anish are already doing that. So I thought it was the perfect opportunity for me to enroll in that cohort. And throughout the cohort, the help was pretty personalized for each one of us. On each step, even while learning and while implementing, Lipson and Niche were always available. And if any doubt we had, we always have them, kind of helping us sort that out. And by following whatever they had suggested and with their, feedbacks, I was able to land my first client within the first 2 weeks. And the name was pretty big. It was Alchemy. So overall, it was a pretty fruitful experience for me. I even have, leads locked down for the next couple of months. So overall, highly recommend.